Hey beauties, this is Shamika from SWVH Hair. So what I am going to do today is try on a wig that I just recently advertised. I have this wig on hand. This is perfect for my ladies who likes natural hair but still don't want their hair out. But for my four texture, four type ladies hair, oh my God, this hair is so beautiful. It is a 26-inch HD closure, and look at this. Look at this. Do y'all see this? My God. My God, my God. Sorry, I was getting a phone call. So anyway, sorry y'all, got a phone call and someone came in my door, my room. So yeah, so here is my, like I say, it's the KINKY Curly, and yo, this, when I say this hair, like, do you see how natural it looks? Let me see, from right here. Oh my God. Yeah. So I didn't wet it. I didn't do anything. This is coming straight out of the pack. With our tag on it. It has not been wet or anything. No product, no mousse, no foam, no anything on this wig. This is how it came. So I'm going to try it on. And you let me know how you all like it. Like I said, it's a 5x5 HD 26-inch closure wig. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I put a little bit of mousse on it because if you all know, four type hair can get really big. And so, yeah. But baby, look. Do y'all see this? This is everything. Y'all, do y'all see this wig? This is part in the middle. And y'all saw it earlier with nothing on it. I had nothing on it earlier when it was to the side. And I didn't, I can move you with closure wigs, you can really just move them to the side. But that one was actually part on the side. So this one here, I actually parted in the middle. But I did just add just a little bit of foam to the front so it won't be out to here. But ladies, look at this beautiful hair. Look at here. And let me tell you why I like this. It's because you can have it where it shows a little bit of your hair. And to me, that really looks natural. Like, look here. Man, please. Okay. Sleep on this wig if you want to. Now, I'm going to sell this one. I always say, if y'all don't buy it, I'm going to keep it, which is true. I will keep it. Don't mind keeping it. But this wig, you're not going to believe it is going for under a 26-inch. A 26-inch. It is going for under $400. This wig right now, ladies, you can get, or I can ship it to you overnight for $395. $395. Yeah. So if you want it, let me know. I'm not going to do a long video. I used to do like longer videos and they were actually really good. But this new algorithm and all this type of stuff, I'm narrowing it down, and this one is still too long. But this here, look at this. And this here is like 180, maybe even 200 density. It's so full, y'all. You can straighten it. You can put, like I say, I put nothing on the back. Nothing. These here are the original curls. The only thing I did was add some foam to the front. Right here. That's all I did, was add some foam to the front. That's it. So it won't be so big. But yeah. What I did my comb. I'm trying to be gentle with the curls, you know, because I don't want to pull them out too much. But yeah, $3.95. You all can have this wig for $3.95. I'm gonna thank y'all so much for always supporting Sew With Virgin Hair. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Stay tuned for our Juneteenth. Y'all know I don't play about my Black history. Stay tuned for our Juneteenth sale. Make sure you're registered, email, set your notifications. I don't know what's going to be on sale yet. You all really did like the Memorial Day sale, and I'm glad. Thank you. So yeah, I don't know. But it'll probably be a store-wide sale. I'll probably have everything on sale. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, ladies. Thank you so much, and gentlemen. Thank you all so much for supporting Sew What Virgin Hair once again. And thank you for just tuning in. So until next time, bye.